love you so much I could rip your face off and stomp on it on the ground. Hi, Daniel! So it's Wednesday, and I have to make this video fast because I just got back from a project and I'm going to a concert in like 40 minutes. And oh my goodness, my day today was so crazy. I made this video project, got to school, tried to upload it to my laptop, and didn't have the right cables, so there went iMovie, which is the only movie maker I know how to use. And then I went to the library to upload everything, and Windows Movie Player is like the ancient dinosaur of technology, and it was awful trying to use it. But after like 5.5 hours or so, I got like my rough raw video sketch kind of together, and I really wish I could show you some clips of it, but it's not gonna happen. But when I make you that mullet sandwich, I will show you the video, and it'll be good. The rest of my day, I didn't really do much. I did absolutely nothing. I literally just got home from school, and it's 5:10 right now, and I just got home from school. That makes me so sad. As a senior, that's like, makes me want to cry. I don't really have anything else to say. I'm glad we're doing this. I think it's cool and fun, and I'm excited. I'm going to Guster tonight for a concert. I'm so excited. That was weird, but I'm really excited. Like, I haven't gone to a concert since Gavin DeGraw, and Gavin DeGraw is awesome, and I love him, and it was amazing, but I don't really remember anything other than him being on the piano and it being good. But Guster, a whole new story. I don't know. Actually, it's kind of weird because I only own 3 songs from Guster, and yet I want to go see them in a concert and pay money. Oh, and by the way, I only paid $10 for this concert. I'm going to pay more for the t-shirt than I am for the actual show, which is kind of cool. It's strange because normally I feel really weird about talking to a camera, but I just talked to a camera for like 8 hours, so I'm completely good with this. I hope your day went well. I'm so happy we're doing this. I really want to do it so that we can get in the habit of it before I go to Gainesville, which I'm really excited for. But, so how are you? How is school going? Middle school. And how is life? Just tell me random facts. I just want to know random facts. And a joke. Tell me a joke. Besides the one with the giraffe and the lion. That one's not funny anymore. I've heard it like 8 times. Every time I'm in need of a joke, I ask you and you give me that. And it's not a joke. It's a lie. I'm getting better. I was really sick, and now I'm kind of sick, and I know my cough's girly, but deal with it. And yeah. Bye, Daniel. I'll see you later. I hope you get this today or sometime later. Love you so much I could rip your face off and stomp on it on the ground. I hope you have a good day.